Hey guys, this is DHK Dude and today we will be unboxing budget 3D printer. Creality Ender 3. So stay tuned and keep watching the video. If you are looking for 3D printer under 20,000 rupees, then this can be the best choice for you. Ender 3 has gained so much popularity nowadays due to the features it offers at budget price. I got this printer from Amazon and it arrived without any damage. The box has Ender 3 branding on it and picture of the printer at the right side as you can see in the video. I already opened it after delivery to check for any damage, so let's quickly open the box and see what we got in the box. Packing is really good, as you can see, all parts are kept inside foam inserts to prevent any damage. As soon as you open the box, you will get some documents. Here you get installation manual, warranty card and some other documents. This printer comes semi-assembled. In this installation manual you will see step-by-step process of installing all components together. It will hardly take an hour to finish installation. All parts has unique numbers so it will be easy to identify them in the box during assembly of the printer. You will also see specifications of this printer on the last page of manual. All parts shown in the manual are available in box and we will see them one by one. Wrench, Allen key and all other required tools are included in the box, so you don't have to go to the shop to get them. All parts are kept in the two inserts, upper and lower inserts. In the upper part of the insert you will see semi-assembled frame with heated bed, LCD panel, aluminium channels, power supply unit and extruder assembly. All are very precisely placed in the molded foam insert. Let's take the parts out of the box one by one and see what more we got below this. These are the additional accessories we got in the box. We will see them one by one. Ender 3 printer comes with 24-volt power supply unit, so heating time is reduced compared to previous models. Here is the motor assembly of X-axis. Ender 3 comes with basic LCD panel where you can set up all your printing parameters. The has blue background with white fonts. The LCD panel has only one button. To navigate through the options, rotate button in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, and press the button to choose any of the option. One of the drawback is backside of the LCD circuit is exposed. You have to print shield to protect it. There are two big aluminium channels for vertical support and two small aluminium channels for horizontal support. If you think that threaded rod for Z-axis is missing, then it can be found hidden inside the channel. Again, good utilization of space and prevent damage. Here is the stepper motor for Z-axis. Pulley support assembly for Z-axis. Filament holder comes with two separate parts which you have to assemble together. Again, you can print some modifications which we might see later in future. We got sharp spatula. And last but not the least, main power supply cord. In this bag you get belt, wrench, Allen key, lots of screws, screwdriver, cable ties and some nuts. This plastic bag has some extra nozzles, some locking clips, end stop switch, card reader with SD card and filament for testing. Let's move on to the mainframe assembly where heated bed is installed. You can level the bed adjusting the 4 knobs given at the bottom. At the bottom left side of this assembly there is a slot for SD card and USB port. LCD panel will be installed on the right side of the aluminium channel with screws. At the back side of the assembly there is a motor for Z-axis movement. You can also see the end-stop switch. After completing the installation, your printer will look like this. Connecting cables, leveling bed and setting up the parameters would take another half hour.